So, you want to make and see your own sleep paralysis demon? Well, consider yourself lucky, since we are gonna help you accomplish this step by step. First, imagine your sleep paralysis demon in your head. Try to add details and even characteristics to make it more real and believable. Drawing your demon will help you a lot during the process of making. Second, wait for the night to come. Go to bed and imagine the sleep paralysis demon you made until you fall asleep. You gotta try really hard to make your mind focus only on the demon and nothing else. This will increase the chance of its coming tonight. Third, if you followed all the previous steps, then with high probability you will wake up in the middle of the night. Congratulations, it's here.